y'all, I'm Laura Ray Dickey.
And I'm Chef Phil Butler.
And we're here in the original Dickeys barbecue in Dallas, Texas, and we thought we would share some fun barbecue secrets with y'all for Father's Day. So we all know some of those classic barbecue, wonderful things that we love, ribs, brisket, all of that great barbecue to smoke. But what about something simple? Keep it easy for Dad, right, on Father's Day? How about smoking some wings? And Chef, you have some fantastic secrets for making excellent wings. How do we do it at home?
So, you know, smoking wings, I like to brine or marinate my wings overnight. So I'll season them the day before, or I'll brine them, which is just nothing more than salt water, maybe a little bit of sugar, and I'll let them sit for about 24 hours. And then that way the next morning I get my pit going, run at about 225, 235, hickory, cherry, you know, oak is good with wings. And then I'll go ahead and just smoke those wings. So, you know, what I've done is I've smoked wings. They're cooked to about 165 degrees inside. They're cooked through, and now I can put them in the refrigerator, let them dry out a little bit more, and actually putting them back on the grill or in the oven and reheating them is going to crisp up that skin.
And that's my favorite part. Is I love a good smoked wing because you know there's so many great wing options out there, but really doing it in the smoker adds that flavor, adds that finish. But I don't want to give up the crispness.
Right.
So you think you put it back on.
Yes.
And then that's where we get there, that wonderful finished. And you have a dry rub that we can do, or we can sauce them.
Yeah, simple dry rub. It's nothing more than what we use for our ribs. It's a great blend of sugar, salt, cumin, chili powders. So it's got that sweet, spicy kick to it. And I just, like I said, you can put these back on the grill, crisp up this outside skin, and then just toss them. You know, the fat's gonna come to the surface of the skin, and it's gonna make that dry spice just stick right to it.
It looks great, it smells great. So I would just go and get these chicken wings at the grocery store. Like you said, you can brine them no more than overnight. And then about how long, again, for the first time on the grill?
At about 225, you're talking about 2 hours. You wanna go low and slow. You really wanna get that smoke in there, and again, dry that skin out a little bit.
Which is fantastic. And so you have the dry option, but now what about the sauce? Because you have convinced me, and we're here and we love Texas barbecue and we love our tomato-based sauce, but you have a great twist on it to make it Carolina style. So you take any barbecue sauce, you can take a Dickeys barbecue tomato-based sauce, and then how do we just really upgrade it to, you know, a little something different?
Well, the classic components are, you know, your yellow mustard, and I like to use cider vinegar. Some people put a little bit of beer into it. Chili powders, your onion powders, your garlic powders, some seasoning. Our rib rub is perfect for that. And then lastly, for our little twist, I like to add some of our classic barbecue sauce to it. And really, when you add that classic barbecue sauce, now it pairs great with beef, it pairs well with chicken.
It's
and also
so
pork.
easy, so just 4 ingredients.
That's it.
Mixed
Very
all
simple.
together. And then I love, again, how you pull those wings back and you toss them in it. I think it's fantastic and
So-
easy.
Yeah, so again, what you can do is take those wings, toss it in the sauce, and put them on the grill, take them back out, put them back in the sauce, do that a couple times, get a great glaze on the outside of that. And if you don't have time to get them back on the grill, if it's raining or something, put them in the oven, crisp up that skin, and then just toss them in your sauce. And that's it. That's that Carolina style wing. Really good sauce on the outside
And
of
so
that
you could
wing.
really take and do several different kinds of wings and really have some options there as long as you start with your dry rub. And then you can sauce them whether you're traditional or you want to upgrade to the Carolina. It's great for Father's Day. It's really simple. That's 2 hours on the smoker or on your grill, and then crisp them back up and add your favorite sauce. So we hope y'all have a great Father's Day. And if you don't want to do it yourself, you can always get it at Dickeys.com. Thanks, y'all.
Thanks, y'all.